it's your girl Dej. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a get ready with me. But first, if you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you like this video, and share with a friend at the end of this video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a get ready with me. So I'm gonna go take a shower and then wash my hair, and I'll be back when I'm done with that. And you guys will see how I get ready.
Hey babies, how you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. As I said previously, so here I'm just showing you guys how I braided my hair back. I'm gonna be putting on a wig, so I'm just gonna show you guys the packaging. I am using this Grwm and Human brand that I got from the beauty supply store. This is my first time wearing this wig, so I thought I'll show you guys how it looks and how it came in the packaging. So this is a synthetic / human hair mix, I believe. It's very curly and it has a versatile frontal part. Like, it doesn't have much parting space, but it's just the front where you can part at least 3 inches, 4 inches going back. So I don't mind that because I can flip it to any side that I want. And it also has the lace layer in the front, so I can apply it and it looks natural. So I do love that about this wig, you know. So I'm just showing you guys how the packaging came or whatever, you know. Here's me struggling to get this instruction palette off of it. Okay, so now that I got it off, I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. So like I said, it has, you know, a small parting space in the front, and then it's super bouncy, super curly, which I really loved about it. And it fit my head so snug, guys. Like, first things first, you know, I gotta put on my stocking cap. No, I'm not gonna use got to be to glue it down or anything. I'm literally just gonna put it on and push it back so my hairline is secure and you wouldn't see it. I'm not doing all that extra stuff because ain't nobody got time for that. And I'm gonna slay this lace and make it look natural without doing all of that extra stuff. So watch what I'm gonna do. So right now I am just taking a scissors and I'm cutting close to the hairline of the lace structure, and I'm gonna cut off all the unnecessary lace that I do not need. Alright, so this part took me a little minute, but I got it off. Here you go, you see it. So now I'm just showing you guys how the results came out. Like I said, I cut close to the perimeter of the hairline of the wig. Now I am just going to look for the little elastic band in the back, and I'm going to adjust the strap so that it fits my head when I put it on. Yeah, I was struggling to get it out because it was just like stuck, and then these nails, like, guys, the struggle is real, but I got it. I got it. We got that, period. So now I'm just gonna adjust the band like I said, and we are going to start this wig process. So let's get it on and popping. As you see, now I am putting on my wig and adjusting it to make sure that it fits. I also take the comb in the back and I push it under the wig cap so that it stays on. So as you guys can see, look at the curls. It's all bouncy. It was beautiful. I just loved it. The lace, like, it just laid perfectly and it blended with my skin tone, which I really loved because you couldn't tell that it was a wig, you know, you feel me, those kind of vibes. And it's not even human hair, like, it's synthetic. Guys, you can have beautiful synthetic lace wigs as well, okay, period. You don't have to spend all that money to look good. A nice synthetic wig does the same thing as a human hair wig. You just have to take care of it. So I am using the most simplest method to glue on my lace because I am not going to be wearing this forever. As I get home, it is coming off. So I did spray it along the hairline, and then I took a blow dryer and I blow dried it, and I also used a rat tail comb to help me out. I'm so sorry that you guys couldn't see this part because the way my camera was set up, it just was not catching all the angles. But this is why we do voiceovers, so you guys can actually understand what is happening even though you can't see everything, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing here. Now that the lace has been glued to my head securely, I am going to be focusing on my baby hairs as well as my parting space. In most cases, I usually go for a side part because it fits my face a lot more than a middle part or any other kind of part. I just really love me a side part, so that's what I'm doing here. Just detangling the ends a little bit because you know synthetic wigs can get tangled a little. So I'm just working on my side part, adjusting it to how I want it to be on top of my head. And yeah, so to give this hair a little bit more of a natural look, I want it to lay a little bit flatter and my curls to pop a bit more. So I'm using Wig Out mousse, styling mousse, and I'm just going to be applying that on top of the curls and running my fingers through it to give it that extra sheen and pop. Voila! So here I am just showing you guys the final result of how my hair came out. Nothing special. Now I'm just gonna show you guys the whole fit or whatever. Yes, I just love this dress. I showed you guys this dress in my last haul. Guys, like, look at the baby hair. Like, you see how natural this lace looks? And what? Is it human hair? No. Is it synthetic? Yes. But did I slay it? Yes. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit more mousse because I realized that one side of my hair was a little bit more frizzy than the other side. So I'm just going to do that, apply a little bit more because we want to be pretty. You know what I mean? You feel me? So yeah, just fixing this side up and just gonna show you guys the result when I'm done. What do you guys think? I really love this wig and I really love my outfit. What do you guys rate this? How do you guys think I did? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know. And if you guys have any more video suggestions or anything you want to see on my channel, please let me know in the comment section. Make sure if you're watching this right now, if you watch up to this part, you are loyal and I appreciate you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. And let's get into the vlog section. We made it to the party. Here's my friend. Y'all, I haven't painted since kindergarten, so these lines are just not adding up. But you feel me? I'm trying to do what I'm trying to do. So y'all just stay tuned and watch me figure out how to paint this painting. I picked the hardest painting at the party, I swear to God. But it came out so pretty in the end. So like I said, you guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you haven't done so as yet. Legit, I was struggling. I did not even know like how to pick up paint. I didn't know which side to start on. Like, I was so confused. Like, guys. Also, for those who are wondering if you guys would be able to see me drink anything in this sipping paint, you thought, because I don't drink any alcohol. So I will not be sipping. I will just be painting. But enjoy the video. Ayo, my painting have more hips than me. Help me to understand. Look at the body. Oh, due to copyright reasons, your girl cannot be playing the background music that was in this video, but just know the music was lit. Y'all, at this point, her face was just so priceless. Oh my god. It looks good though. As you guys can see, the whole party setup was just very, very beautiful. The color theme was black, gold, and white. So everybody was required to wear black outfits and, you know, just dress up, look cute. And we were enjoying ourselves, just laughing, having a good time, conversing with each other, painting, and just enjoying whatever you had in your cup. And I had water because, like I said, I don't drink. But yeah, I was just here vibing, trying to paint my paintings. And I'm just going to speed this up for you guys because I don't want you guys to get bored of me just painting, because that can get boring and we don't want that. Here's my painting, guys. It's not the best. Like, at this point, I had a brain fart. I was just so confused. But look at my friends. Hers was so pretty. I live on an island, so shortly after the power came out. Great. We decided to do Jenga in the meantime, as well as karaoke, which was very, very fun while the power was out. Painting finale. This is how my painting came out, guys. I know you guys saw it in the beginning and you was just like, oh, what is that? Anyways, I just inserted this clip because I did not do an outro for this video. But I mean, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you had fun watching this video. If you made it all the way till this part, please do drop a blue heart in the comment section. That way I know that you watched this video all the way through. And I love you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. The continued support is just lovely. We are almost to 200 subscribers. Yay! So without further ado, let's get into the outro. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure you turn on your post notification. And if you are new here, again, please do subscribe. And we out!